So hello everyone. So today we will discuss the two approaches or two methods, which is the recursive approach and dynamic approach. So first, let's define what is dynamic programming approach. So dynamic programming approach optimizes by storing and reusing subproblem solutions, resulting in improved time and memory efficiency, while the recursive approach recomputes subproblems and can be less efficient for large-scale problems. So meaning, mas less efficient ang recursive approach pag malalaki ng problem. So let's know the difference between these two approaches. So the main difference between these two approaches is the handling of overlapping subproblems and memory utilization. So now let's begin to discuss a recursive approach. Let's declare a variable, a list of songs that represented by dictionary with attributes, the title, duration in seconds, and the endorphin level. Next, a song matrix, a list of time slots that indicates when songs can started. Then we define a function, a recursive function, to find the maximum endorphin level with the first n songs while adhering to time constraint S. So if n or S becomes 0, it returns 0. So this include current variables, adds current songs, endorphins, and recurs with reduced time. Also exclude current, so this is exclude current variable, skips the current songs and continue with the remaining songs and the same time constraint. So it returns the maximum value between these two scenarios. So lastly, we define a function to present results in a table format showing how endorphin levels change with song selections and different time constraints. Then let's try to run it. So this looks like when we try to run it. So let's tackle about the dynamic programming approach. So the same as the previous code, we declared a songs which includes the title, duration, and the endorphin levels. Then the song matrix indicates when the songs can start. So then we define a function, a dynamic function, to calculate the maximum endorphin level within the time constraint S. So we use a 2D array dp, where dp ij represent the maximum endorphin level achievable with the first I songs and j seconds. So consider these scenarios with and without repeating song. So it updates dpij based on song's duration and endorphin level. So next we define a function to print the table, display the result, and in a matrix format showing optimal song choices within a different time constraints. So let's try to run it. So this could be look like if we try to run the code. So for the recursive, we use maximize endorphin recursive function to find the maximum endorphin level. And for the dynamic programming approach, we use maximize endorphin to calculate the optimal endorphin level. So all in all, in summary, those codes offers two methods to maximize endorphin level through song selection while respecting a time constraint using both a recursive approach and a dynamic approach. So results as presented visually for easy interpretation. So thank you, that's all.